Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the disappearing message on your Instagram for a particular account for 7 days on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
How to turn on the disappearing message on your Instagram for 7 days option on your Instagram chat. So just going to show this video. So I'm just going to go to the messaging option, just going to choose an account here and just click on the account first, and you have the option for disappearing message on the top. Click on this. Now you have the 4 options like off, once they seen, 24 hours and 7 days. They're just talking about the 7 days. Click on this. You can have the option on the bottom. You can have the note that said messages and reaction to disappear once you seen them, and close the chat or keep them bit longer. Messages and reaction can keep in the chat up to 7 days after the message is sent. So this can be useful. So just come back. You can see the notification. You turned on the disappearing messages, and new messages will disappear 7 days after they are seen. So this is how it just turn on the disappearing message for 7 days on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.